Hello friends. Today I will share a very important trick to find out bond order. And if you follow this and watch this full, then I will assure you that you will do definitely 1 to 2 question in NEET, and if comes in JEE, you can easily do that. Okay. I have made two tricks. Firstly, trick number 1 is what we are going with. Firstly, we have to calculate the value of n. Okay. So what is n here? To calculate n, let's say I have made you understand by taking an example. Okay, let's say we have 12 electron species. Okay, then we find difference of 12 and 14, that is 2. Here n will be 2. Whatever n is electron species, firstly calculate n is that quantity which is the difference between 14 and that electron species. Okay, let's say we have 16 electron species, so here n will be difference between 16 and 14 is 2. If we have 19 electron species, here then there n will be 19 minus 14, that is 5. Okay, so bond order is for simple formula 3 minus n by 2. Okay, 3 minus n by 2. Let's say we have to calculate the bond order of nitrogen, that is n2. So here n2, it has 14 electron species, so n is 0 here. Okay, 14 minus 14 is 0, so bond order will be 3 minus 0. Here bond order will be 3. Let's calculate Cn. Carbon has 6 electron, N has 7 electron, and minus, let's say it has also 14 electrons. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14. Its bond order will be 3 minus 0, it is 3. Okay, let's we have to calculate oxygen O2. It's 16 electron species, so the difference n is here, n is equal to 2. Bond order will be 3 minus 2 by 2, that is 2. Okay, so by this I have making a chart. 14 electron species will have 3 bond order, that's you can easily see here. Okay, now for electron less than this, I have just this trick is valid for atomic species which has electron 8 or greater than 8, then this trick will be valid. Now for uh, for species which has electron less than 8, then I have made a trick BABA, it is Baba trick. And by this you have to remember one formula: bond order is equal to bonding minus anti-bonding by 2. Bonding orbital electron in bonding orbital minus anti-bonding by 2. Okay, for example we have to calculate one electron species, then in bonding 1 electron will go, and anti-bonding 0, bonding 0, anti-bonding 0. So bond order will be 1 minus 0 by 2, it is half. For 2 electron species, 2 electron will go in bonding 0 0 0, 2 minus 0 by 2. For 3 electron species, in bonding there will be 2 electron, and in anti-bonding 1, so bond order will be 2 minus 1 by 2. Maximum electron in bonding is 2, then here maximum 2, maximum 2, maximum 2. 4 electron species, so 2 go in bonding and 2 go in anti-bonding, so bond order will be 2 minus 2 by 2, it is 0. Now 5 electron species, bond order will be 2, bonding में 2 and anti-bonding 2, and फिर again bonding 1, anti-bonding 0, bond order will be 1 by 2. For 7 electron species, bonding in bonding go 2 electron, then in anti-bonding again go 2 electrons, then in bonding 2 electrons, anti-bonding 1 electrons. Total number of bonding electron is 4, and total number of anti-bonding electron is 3. So bond will be 4 minus 3 by 2, it is half. Now 8 electron species, in bonding total bonding electron will be 4, and anti-bonding will also be 4. So 4 minus 4 by 2, it is 0. Now by this trick you can easily do question. Now I have make another trick number 2. In this trick you have to remember some numbers, that is 1 0 1 0 1 2 3 2 1 0. If an electron has number of electron especially 2 4 6, that's 2 table. If you can remember, you have 2 4 6 8 10 12 16 20. And if an electron 2 electron species, then okay, if an species has 2 electron, that it will bond order will be 0. If an species has 4 electron, it will be bond order will be 4, then 0. Sorry, if a species number of electron is equal to 2, then bond order will be 1. If an species number of electron is equal to 4, then its bond order will be 0. If n species number of electron is equal to 6, then its bond order will be 1. You can easily remember 1 0 1 0 1 2 3 2 1 0. It's for even number of electrons. Let's say if we have number of electrons equal to 3. Similarly, if n has 7 electron, let's say 7 electron, it will be bond order between 1 and 0, that is half. If n species, let's say 11 electron, then it will bond order will be between 1 and 2, that is half. Similarly, if n species has 17 electrons, its bond order will be 2 and 1, that is 1.5, that is 3 by 2. I'm sorry, if it has 11 electron, that will be that it has bond order between 1 and 2, that is 3 by 2, that is 1.5. Okay, means 13 electron species which have bond order between 2 and 3, that is 3.5. Not 2.5, 2.5, sorry, it has 2.5. Here 3 and 2 is 2.5. If an species has 15 number of electron. Okay, thank you for seeing this video, and you can easily do question by if you see a full video.